Hello everyone. So I'm here from this Right Boutique Cafe in Manila, Cebu, and so I'm here from this outside here from to stay my restaurant. So we're here from this analyze of these games here in PD Women's World Championship 2025. So it means game number 5. So it means 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this clock, long game. So it means last game 4, so it means same by draw from this repetition from this one, same draw from this game 4. So it means score is the same is 2 points from this one. And also have between from this grandmaster from first women world champion is in China is Zhu Wenju. So versus by grandmaster in China, so it means challenger is Tan Songyi from this one. So who was the win of these points from this one? So in the start of this video here, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this game 5 from PD Women's. So white plays through is e4, c5 tan Sicilian defense, knight f3, and also e6 is called Sicilian defense French variation. So it means French variation. And also d4, capture this pawn, knight takes d4, and also a6. So it means a6 by tan. So these are the main line here is simple is one is knight c6 here from this develops here from this one. So move by tan is a6 move by tan, and also bishop d3 coming or many bishop d3. So bishop d3 here, or maybe upcoming by castling by world women champion by Zhu, and also bishop c5 by tan. So it means bishop c5 with a attacking by knights here, or maybe with a threat by knights by bishop by tan and knights by world women champion. And also knight b3 threat by bishop here, and bishop backwards a7 with a move backwards by tans here, and also castle kingside, and also knight e7 with upcoming castling by tan. So it means castling. So it means castling. So it means upcoming castling. And also c4. So it means its goal is roxy bind. So these are the roxy bind here with a move by breakdown by move by without boards here on this one. And also knight bc6, and also knight c3, and also knight e5. So it means knight e5 with a develops by black here, and also c5. So it means these are c5 here is still is novelty by world women champion from this one. So it means old main line here is simple is king force h1 here, and also the so it means king h1. So king h1 with a voided by here by bishop here with attacks here, and also decided this old main line is bishop to e2 with a avoided without knights. So it means without threat by knights and bishop here from this one. So novelty is c5 by world women champion here, and also knight 7 g6 without move by tans here from this one, and also bishop e2, and also b5. So it means b5 here is too much here by b5. It's also bad move by tan in this challenger. So it means question mark. So the best moves there is simple is castling here, castling king side here from this one. So castling king side by best moves here from this one. So back there is b5 here by tans here, and also f4. So it means f4 without threatening by knights without threat, or maybe without threatening by knights here from this one. For example, in Excel, why don't we emphasize capture from this one? And also this side is bishop takes capture. So without move by the valves here, without controls by move by blocks here from this one. So it means without the valves here. So f4 by 2 here, and also knight c4, or maybe with a moves here without develops here. So it means knight c4 is another bad move by challenger by tans here from this one. So the correct move here is the best moves is knight to c6 here without develops here from this one. So back there is knight c4 and also a4. So it means a4 here. And push b4 with a threat by knight here. And also bishop takes knight, pawn takes knight, and also capture. So it means bad move by Chu. So it means bad move by capture. So the best moves there is queen to e4. So it is without controls here. So if you capture these pawns here, this one, and also bishop takes b2 with a move with a threat by pawns, or maybe with a develops here. So if you move by f6 here from this one, and also f5 without threat by knights here, without controls, or maybe without develops here from this one. So back there is b takes c3 and also bishop d7 without threat by e4 without develops here, and also queen e2, another bad move by first women world champion. So the best moves there is queen d4 again. So it means without defense by e4 here from this one. So back there is queen e2 and also castle kingside by tan, and also bishop d3 and also f5. So it means f5 here is another bad move again by tan. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is queen to c7. So it means queen to c7. If you move by bishop e3 by defense here by pawns. So because if you queen without attacking this pawns or without develops here from this one here, and also decided is one is decided is e5. E5 here. So e5 here by develops here. So it means without develops here. So back there is f5 here, and also captured, and also bishop to e3. So it means without defense by pawns here, and also queen c7. So it means another bad move again. Many bad moves from this reign by computer. So it's queen c7. So the best moves there is force king h8, prophylactic move from this one. So it means gold prophylactic move by queen force h8 from this one. So back there is queen to c7, and also good move bishop takes a6. So it means without captured, without sacrifice here, and also rook f e8. So so what do you think if you capture this one, bishop takes a6 from this one, and also queen takes a6 here. So if you capture this bishop takes c5 with a opening with a threat by queens here, or maybe with a develops, and also beside it is queen to c4 check. So it means queen c4 check, and also king force h8. So it means without examples here from this one. So back there is rook f e8, and also bishop takes capture with a threat by rooks, queen takes bishop, queen c4 check, and king force h8. So it means without develops here, or something with a threat by bishop, or without movement by develops here. And also bishop d4, rook e6 without coming, or rook e6 without coming by battery by tans here from this one, and also h3, and also rook a e8 battery by tan, and also rook f2. So it means without upcoming by battery by first women world champion by Ju on this one, and also bishop to b8, or maybe with a threat, with a threatening by doubles by pawns, by threatening here from this one, and also rook f1 without battery by Ju, and also knight takes f4. So it means knight takes f4 here from this one. So first puzzle, what do you think the realized good idea by first women world champion? What do you think the good nice shot from this one is in this best move? So we're waiting for couple for seconds and continue for now. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is rook takes capture 9. So it means sacrifice. So sacrifice by first women world champion from this one. And also bishop takes rook takes bishop, and rook e1 check, and rook f1, good move by first women world champion. Rook takes capture. Oh, rook takes capture check, and decided king takes f1. And also queen e4. Oh, without coming by check. Oh, without queen check here from this one. And also good move king g1. Queen b1 check. King h2, another good move by Chu. And also rook e1. Oh my god, without coming by check. Or maybe without develops here. And also queen d5, h6, knight d2. Still threatening by queens here. And also rook h1 check, king g3, queen e1 check. So it means queen e1 check here. Bishop f2, good move by Zhu. And also queen e2 by Tan, queen d4. So it means without the bells here from this one. And also rook e1. So it means rook e1 here. Or maybe without the bells here. And also bishop e3 without defense because the rook is met by knights here from this one. And also king h7, a5, oh my god, without coming here, or push e6, e7, or promotes queen. So it means without the bells here from this one. And also rook e1, bishop f2, oh my god, still develops here. And also rook e1, so it is repeat. Bishop e3, good move. Rook e1, repeat again. Knight c4. Oh, knight c4 here. Or maybe with a move without the bells by controls by first women world champion here. And also rook a1, knight d6. So it means knight d6 here. Or without threat. Without coming with a threat by pawns here, without move, or maybe with a rook takes capture here from this develops here from this one. And also rook a2. Oh, without move, controlled by check. Oh, without check here. So without check by queen by Tan. And also bishop f2, queen e6, queen f4, king g6. Oh my god, king g6 here. King h2, queen f6. Oh my god, queen f6 here. Or maybe without the bells here. Knight c4, king h7 without move by Tans here. Bishop d4 without threatening by queen e6, knight d6. Oh my god, knight d6 here from this one. Or maybe without develops here. And also queen g6 here, queen f3, f4. Oh my god, sacrifice. Oh, still sacrificed by Tan. And also a6. Oh, a6 here from this one. So rook takes captured, queen takes captured, and also rook a2. Oh my god, rook a2. Oh my god, still upcoming by check, or check without threatening by mating net. So it means mating net here from this one, without coming by mating nets by here, or maybe without lose by first women world champion here from this one. And also queen f3 without defense, and also queen a6, knight g5. Oh my god. Oh, knight f5. Sorry, so it means knight f5 here. Sorry, I got forgetting my focusing my brains here on this one. And also g5. So it means g5, knight e3, d6. Oh my god, d6 here. And also c6, and also rook a8. So it means rook a8 here. And also knight e5 here. And also rook c8. So it means rook c8 here, or without develops here. and also queen d3 check, and also king g8. So it means king g8 here from this one. So it means the second puzzle. So what do you think the the second is double exclamation mark by brilliant move by first women world champion before resigned by challenger by Grandmaster Tang Song Yi. So we're waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. The last shot is knight e7 check. Brilliant move without trap. So it means without trap by rook, resigned by tan. Why? Because, for example, if you move by king takes captured, sacrifice here from this one, and also queen to g6 check. So it means queen to g6 check. If you move by king f8 and ouch, queen f5 check. So it means without check because check. So it means drop by rook. So it means without one rook downs here from this one. So if you move by king g8 and queen takes captured rook, so it means one rook down here on this one. So it means lose by luck. So it means the winner of these white pieces here. So the winner is one is Grandmaster, the first women champion Zhu Wenjun from this China. So the score from this 1 points. So the score is one from Grandmaster by Zhu Wenjun is 3 points, and Grandmaster from Challenger Tan Zhongyi is 2 points from this one. So it means 2 points. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loati 17, aka Afro Mike 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update from this next chess updates here from this one. Good night.